So today I'm doing something a little bit different where I am going to show you the boards that our customers are able to pick from when customizing and personalizing their home. So for instance, today I am showing you the Fort Worth factory. Some homes that are out of the Fort Worth are like the Magnum, the Horizon. You've probably seen some of these homes online. These are the boards that you can choose from. These would be the cabinets. So we have the blue color, white, gray, dove gray, a darker gray, and a Canyon Creek. And then you have 3 boards they can choose from. And the reason why they have the 3 boards is really just so you don't mess up. So if you're unsure on how to pick colors, as long as you pick from the same board, you should be fine. Doesn't matter which color that you pick, it all match. So you have board 1, which is Ravenwood. Board 2, which is more of the blues. You'll see a lot of this in our Horizon. And then board 3. And what these are, so you can tell, over here you're going to have the countertops you can choose from. Sorry, he's falling out front. Second board, these are the options for countertops. And third board, options for countertops. On the Ravenwood, the options for backsplashes are going to be here and here. Again, you probably saw some of these in some of our models. Just looks differently when it's on the board, and once it's all put together, that's what makes it look so awesome. Excuse me. I'll go down a little bit, and then these are the floors that you can choose from. So these are the tile floor. You have 3 different options. If I can open this, sorry guys. But you have a darker one, lighter one, and an in-between one. So tons of options that we have here available for you. Tomorrow I'll show you the Austin Factory's options that you can look at our boards. They have a little bit more because they have 2 sections where they have a Vista Ridge, which is our triple wides. And then they have the Fiesta series, which is the standard double wides and things like that. But this is going to be the Keystone series, and again, I'll kind of go over it so you can see it a little bit better. And this will range all the way from the flooring, the countertops, the cabinets, and so forth. But just kind of wanted to give you all an idea of what that. Okay, thank you. All right, I'm coming. But anyway, so there you go. Thanks, you guys. Bye.